Hey shoppers, today we have a portable air conditioner fan we got from Amazon, okay? So this is a really cool device. You simply unscrew this top right here to fill it up with the water. It has a nice strap that you can carry it with. All right, and so it has several different settings. It can spray, it can swing. So you click the swing button and it rotates back and forth like this. And it sprays at the same time. Can you see that? It has a nice cool mist. All right. So right here you can move this button and direct the spray to go up higher or to go down lower. And then right here, you adjust the speed. So did you hear how we just turned it up? So low, medium, high. And then right here is the on and off button. It does come with an instruction manual on how to care for your machine, how to set it up, and how to work it. Down here is a water tray. But up here is where you fill up the water. Again, this is the control panel and this is the knob to direct where you want it to go.